Where's my... Hey, where's my yellow thing?
Oh, it's in my room.
That's what I need.
I use it as a blanket because we don't have anything comfy over there.
And get something in here.
Yeah, but you were coughing.
Where is it here? What happened here?
My mom spilled that on there, unfortunately. She spilled it on there. That's so annoying when she does it.
Complain about dirty. I was making the dirt.
Just do something Fortunately,
Oh, I feel good.
stay above you on freezing. That's why. Why is it not firing?
You don't want to eat this?
No, I'm fine. I don't want to eat too heavy anyways. I don't want to eat too heavy anyways.
How did you? How did you make it?
Well, it's actually not that hard. It has a simple 4-stroke of suck, squeeze, bang, and blow. Which is true in this case. I'm gonna follow this piston. What is it like to be the piston? Okay, this is what it's like to be the piston. It's so fast, I guess. Well, what if I do it in the boxer engine, which I don't think anyone has made yet, but I have. I'm the only one who have, but it's bigger because I can't make a compact one. If I make a compact one, so this is not gonna work. So this is gonna work. As you can see, it's huge, but it does have a torque.
Even though you're hitting me a lot, it's okay. But you're, I know. I know different.
Oh my god, this is what it's like. It's so vibraty. You can see the combustion happening. It's really, you can't see it.
Yeah, don't worry, honey. I'm so stressed out here.
Oh, this is all. This is all.
Okay.
Nothing else.